This is a set of Titan 50 electronic drums made by Simmons. New, they retail for around $350 to $400. I obtained this setup from Marketplace really cheap, and I'm hoping they are in working order. The set looks used but not beaten up too bad really. I connected the module to my computer and got a firmware update that seemed to put more kit options in the module. Now for my monitor, I just dug out an old Pioneer amplifier and I'm gonna hillbilly engineer all this for now just to see if it all works. I'm coming from the headphone jack to the CD input of this amplifier. I should be able to monitor the kit temporarily with this anyways. I have a laptop connected. The module has a network USB cable interface. I'm going to connect that to the computer. And you gotta like Windows 7. Your device is ready. No bull crap. Now in the sound properties of your computer, you're going to see the Simmons Titan 70. So you can make sure your computer is recognizing it. I'm using Audacity for now. Under the recording tab, I'm selecting the Simmons Titan 50. And there's my signal. I think we're ready to rock. This module has a practice song or two on it. I'm just going to play to one of them and see if I can keep up with it. And you should be able to hear good sound through the computer wave file that I play back with the video. I got this set pretty cheap, so I ordered actually an extra symbol for it because I want another trash on the right hand side. So I hope to be getting that in soon. I'm going to set this whole thing up entirely different as far as the sound and all that. I'm going to see how to do all the parameters and everything and set me up some custom kits. Cool thing about this is I'll be able to trigger off sounds in my two drum machines I have, this Alesis and this DR5. Be like having hundreds of drum kits. The Simmons Titan drums are pretty cool, but it's not like playing the real ones.